Hello students, hope you all are fit and fine. So dear student, today we will learn about weather and seasons. Dear students, you might have wondered that some days are hot while some are cold, and sometime it's rain and other time it is completely dry outside. So why this is happen? This we will learn in today's video. Dear student, these changes are happen due to atmospheric change or due to the change in the atmosphere at a particular place. So dear students, atmosphere is a layer of air that surround our earth, or we can say a blanket of air that surrounded our earth. See here, our our earth is surrounded by the layer of air called atmosphere. Sometimes air becomes hot and sometimes it becomes cold. This change in air is known as weather. Okay, so weather keeps changing from day to day and sometime from hour to hour. So dear student, in other words, we can say the condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time is called weather, and it often changes. As you can say, the sunny weather, the cloudy, the rainy, the windy. So there we have shown, I have shown a different types of weather. Okay, so these are the condition of a weather that changes from time to time. Now weather changes from day to day or season to season. For example, the weather may be warm or sunny on Monday, but it is cold and rainy by Wednesday. So this is an example of weather change, how weather change from day to day. But the huge and the drastic change that we found in the weather, that is season to season. For example, weather changes dramatically from summer to winter. Okay, it means that during summer season to the winter season, the weather change dramatically, means there is a huge change in summer to winter. Now in other words, we can say that weather can be described as a atmosphere at of any particular time or at a particular place. See, it can be described in terms of temperature also. Okay, so now let's learn how weather changes, or how does the weather change from season to season. So dear students, there are four factors that weather depends upon. These are the sun, the rain, the clouds, and the wind. Now let's learn about these. See, there are warm masses of air and the cold masses of air. The masses of air flow about the earth. As we know, when they meet, the warm air rises and cold air sinks. So when the air masses of different temperature meets, we experience most of the changes in our weather. So in other words, we can say the heat of sun causes the temperature in change, and the heat of the sun affect the winds, and this wind affects the temperature. Okay, for example, if there is sunny outside, so we feel warm, or if there is windy outside, so we feel cool for some time. Okay, so the moving air is called as wind, and this causes weather to change. And when the air heated up, it rises upwards and carried water vapor. So that we have learned in the our earlier chapter, that is water, the wonderful liquid. In that we have learned that about water cycle. In water cycle we have learned that how the water changes form in nature, and all in this all process we found that sun carries the water vapor. The means the water vapor is a hot air, and the rain, the precipitation, is a cold air. So this is how the temperature changes due to the water cycle. So dear students, in this video, we have learned about weather And so here I am showing some pictures that you have to identify by yourself, that which type of season are these pictures showing. So in the next video we will learn about the seasons. So thank you, stay safe and keep learning.